How to make a sound in CoverStar app. So basically when you're just trying to record a video in CoverStar, then you just add music and then you need to either record your own, or then you just need to add a track where if you add a track, it won't be your original sound. It will be just a sound from trending. So basically you can just tap record and record track yourself, just yeah, so that's basically an idea. I guess you can just put like a speaker or something, and when you're recording it, it will just be your sound in this way, and then other people will be able to use it if it's trending. So as I understand, that's basically the idea here. So yep, just like as an example for you, there are a bunch of other things like blurring, filters, masks, effects, text. So try it out as well.